Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be going over how to use Google Developer Tools. So developer tools are a crucial part of a developer's workflow. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so we'll be learning how to use Google Dev Tools using my website here, Maplet Media Inc. Okay, so first, how do you go about opening up the Dev Tools? So one way you can do it is if you just right click and then you go down to inspect. That'll open up your dev tools like so. And then the other way is if you're on Mac, you'll do Command, Option, and I, and that'll also open up the dev tools like so. And then if you're on Windows, it's Control Shift I. Okay, so I'll just go back into the Google Developer Tools here. Okay, so first of all, what do we see here? So essentially, when you open up Google DevTools, you have this selector tool here, which you're able to select any element on the page, as well as play with the responsiveness up here. Okay, and then looking at the data over here, we can see all of our styling down here at the bottom, and then up at the top here is the HTML elements. Okay, and then let me just show you if you want to have this on a separate window, you can change the dock style. So you can undock it here into a separate window or put it to the left side or at the bottom like so. But for this video, I'll just keep it here on the right. Okay, so as a developer, the Google Chrome DevTools are essential like your IDE. So it's essential for when you're debugging. So say over here, you can easily view all the styles and make sure that the styles are being applied to the correct elements. So we can see that it's using what color, the fonts, the margins. And if you click into the actual element, you're able to view the classes and the IDs. And so that would be useful if you're working on another website that you need to add new CSS to, but you don't necessarily know the class. So that's a quick way to find out the class. And you can also apply styles within the Chrome DevTools directly. So you can test it out here first before applying it on the style sheet. So let me just do that here. So I'll click into the title here. And then I'll just say, change the color to, let's say, blue. And there we go. It changed on the actual website. Now, again, this is only locally. When you refresh the page, it'll clear any styling done. So it's not affecting the live site. Okay, and then say down here, you can also edit the HTML. So if you want to see how different text would look, okay, let's add today. So I'll automatically update directly on the browser. So again, this is good if you're looking to do debugging or looking to test out styles first before making the commitment within the actual style sheet. Okay, so another useful feature of the Google DevTools is checking out the responsiveness. So you can view the website in different media queries directly in your browser. So you don't need to look at the website on a desktop, tablet, and mobile. You can do it all within the browser. So you would open this up here. So it might not pick up on OBS, but I'll just go here into iPhone 12 Pro. And then now here it's in the mobile view. So again, you're able to view the website in mobile, and then the styles will update dynamically based on the media query. So again, you can check that your styles are being applied on mobile and that the website you're building is mobile responsive. And then I'll just show you tablet over here. So iPad Pro looks like this on tablet, and then if you turn it, it looks like that. So again, for just the front end stuff, you're mainly going to be playing over here with the elements tab up here and the CSS styles down here. Okay, so next I'm going to go over some more of, say, like the backend and site speed stuff. So over here, if you go here into console, so over here in console, you can see any errors, or you can write raw JavaScript over here as well if you're doing some testing. So say console log, hello. And there you go. So if you have some JavaScript functionality that you need to test, you can also within your scripts, any console logs will appear over here. Okay, and then next, let's go here into sources. So again, over here is where you can see all your files that's available on the front end. So again, this is useful if you're using this website as a reference website for another client. You're able to see directly, say, what plugins they're using, as well as, say, JavaScript files and their HTML files, but you won't be able to access, say, their database or back-end files from over here. This is just strictly front-end files. Okay, next, what you want to do here is network. So again, this is important here for site speed, so you can see the size of all the assets being rendered on the page. So if we check over here, this 3D graphic is what's taking up the most resource. So again, and you can see the load speed. So again, with that video, it took 12.55 seconds to fully load. So that's something that I should optimize. Okay, so again, over here, you can see all the files being loaded, and as well as JavaScript files as well. Okay, then over here into performance. So this is just Google site speed. So you can just look at the speed over here of the website. But I just use the Google Site Speed tools directly. I don't really use the Performance tab. Okay, then if we go down here into applications, over here you'll be able to access your cookies and site storage. So if you need to clear the cookies, you'll just do that over here within the applications. And then lastly over here is security. So again, you can just see this over here at the top with, if you click next to your URL. So that's how I would view the security data of the website. But again, you want to make sure you have a valid SSL certificate, especially if you're an e-commerce website. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to learn more about Google Developer Tools and implement this in your workflow. If you're looking to book a one-on-one consultation with me, then you can click the Calendly link in the description below, and we can go over your website strategy. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date with my videos, and thanks for watching.